Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Do you want to use Google Chrome instead of Safari or Microsoft Edge? If you want webpage to open automatically with Chrome, you'll just need to set it as your default browser. This can be done quickly through your device settings, whether you're using the desktop or mobile apps. And in this video, I'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. So to make your Google Chrome as your default browser, you can just go to your settings on your device. Here's you can go to your settings. From your settings, you can go to uh, apps. You can select on apps. On apps, you'll find there is an option default apps. Defaults for file, links, types, other default. You can select on that. You can search for Google Chrome in here. So this one. You can select on Google Chrome and select on set default. So now you have set your Google Chrome as your default browser on your device. It's very simple, right? So that is how to make how to set Google Chrome as your default browser. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.